Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1930 Ford Model A. This is an all steel body here. It's got a 5.7 350 under the hood. Any flaws that I see, I will be pointing out. That's what we do up here on this channel. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, transportation options, and finance options are available on the left side of our website. So definitely check that out. Whenever I get done with this video, we're going to go for a test drive, taking it down the road, pointing out any flaws. Getting started up here in the front, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our community here. Looking around the front end, looks decent. I don't think we have the engine covers for this one. The motor's pretty stout in this car. Just trying to get a good view on everything. It's like a primered black paint job. A little bit of paint coming off there. Electric fan on this one. Side pipes. Looks like they got a light tint on the windows. Pretty good stance from the back. I believe those are LED tail lights somebody added. Fuel cell. So that gas cap back there doesn't connect to it, but you can make it work. Probably safer having the fuel cell, your battery, and a kill switch back here. Paint job's not perfect, a lot of chips, rocks on the road getting slung up into the car. Go ahead and shunt the trunk lid back down here. You just pull it towards you, shut it down and lock it. Let's go ahead and check the inside out on this one. There's a little bit more room than I expected when I got in there. You go so far back, so you got a lot of leg room for one of these cars at least. Used to be blue before they painted it black. Doesn't look like there's any weather stripping around the doors. Headliner needs to be redone. Let's go ahead and sit in here. A little tight starting to get in here, but then you're pretty comfortable. You got a lot of room, a lot of leg room. Shut the door here. It's not too bad. Start it up. got good oil pressure. We'll go ahead and check the gauges here. Temperature's still down. Oil pressure's around 60. Volts are coming up. The gas gauge isn't working. It's all the way down. It's got that fuel cell though. Do got our turn signals. They're popping up on the dash here as I'm using it. Horn, it does work. What you call that, a Ooga horn? Radio. It's cutting on. I don't know if it works or not, but I actually haven't seen any speakers in here. I think that's your electric fan. I just heard it kick on. Fuse panel inside there. What I really like about these cars is you can twist this on both sides. Great for summertime cruising here. You push out on it and the front windshield opens up. It's pretty awesome. We're gonna leave that up because I'm gonna use it for the test drive. It's got the upgraded shifter. Sweet. Pull up on the door handle there. You gotta duck your head to get out, but side pipes. With an aggressive sound. Nice quiet motor. I'm going to give y'all some undercarriage shots, kind of put the camera up under the front of the car, side of the car, back of the car, give you an idea what it looks like underneath. If you want more underside shots, you can go to maplemotors.com, click on additional pictures, and get probably close to 50 to 100 pictures. All right. Head on over to the driver's side now. Let's go to the rear. And to the passenger side. I do appreciate y'all watching. We're getting ready to go for a test drive. Tried to go over everything in this video to show you what this car was about. That way, if you're out of state, you're not scared to drive down here. We try not to miss anything. Definitely check out the test drive video. I want you to watch both before you make the trip down or put a deposit on a car. It's easy to put them on hold. A lot of people ask that question. You can just give us a call, talk to us about it, and you can do a bank transfer. Once you do that, the car's yours. We do have finance options at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. I can also ship this straight to your door. The shipping company's on maplemotors.com as well. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's that time. We're about to go for a ride. So be looking for the test drive video. I'll post it to the bottom right corner of this, at the end of this video, for easy access. You go to the top left, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and anytime I post a car, truck, anything on this page here, you'll get a notification on your phone to update you. I do appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys.